For a basic irrigation shutoff, you have a few components. The irrigation stop and waste, your backflow preventer, you may have a filter, you may not, and one or more valves. First thing you should do to winterize the system is close your stop and waste. You may have a stop and waste like this. They're usually 24 to 36 inches in the ground, or you may have a manual cross-top style drain. These are usually in pairs, one to close and one to drain, whereas this is a simple close and drain. To shut it off, you turn this 1/4 turn clockwise. You use this style key. This gray style key is for the cross tops, so it fits on there. Because this is above ground, we'll just use a pipe wrench to close it. So turn it 1/4 turn so that the head is perpendicular to the pipe. When you close this, you'll start to hear water leak out. Totally normal. If you leave this partially open, you'll have pressurized water shoot out the side. So make sure you perform a full 1/4 turn, either closed or open. Next is your backflow preventer, a PVB. These blue handles should just be left slightly cocked so that they aren't in line with the pipe, but are just slightly askew. If you close them, you'll trap all of the water inside here, and then it'll freeze and burst and you'll have to replace in the springtime. So the only thing you adjust on here are these two screws here and here. So you open them by turning them 1/4 turn in any direction, and then making sure that the slot of the screw is in line with the pipe. And that's it for that. If you have a filter like this, you should just be able to open the ball valve and water will drain out from the filter on out. Lastly, your valves. This is a Hunter inline valve. You have two parts here, either the bleed screw and the solenoid. You can open either one 1/4 turn, and this will help break the vacuum and allow water to drain out of the pipes out to here, as well as release the vacuum heading downstream. If you have a drip filter, you can just unscrew them, pull them off, and just leave the cap loose. Some water will drain out here and then leave room for any expansion of ice should it occur. And that's about it for any of our systems. Any questions, give us a call or send us an email.